There is no place in the world like Vegas for having cocktails, and I could sure use one right now, but I'm gonna be making 3. They're gonna make you feel like you doubled down on a hard 13 and banged out a hard 21. So, first, I'm gonna make you a Jack and Coke like you've never had, I guarantee it, in a shaker. Half full of ice, I've got 2 ounces of JD. Next, I'm gonna add in 3 slices of lime and shake this up like crazy. What that's gonna do is break down the essential oils on the peel and the pith of the lime so that we can have a great cocktail with JD. So I'm gonna pour that in. I can smell it from here. It's just beautiful. It's fresh and you've got that oakiness. Next thing to add in the Coke. And you're thinking, Jared, how special can this possibly be? So what? You banged up a lime. Well, I'm gonna show you right now. We are gonna add a little bit of fun to your JD. So I'm gonna smoke this guy up. I've got a little bit of hickory. Putting it in. And here we go. Insert my tube and light. So this is a cold induction smoker, so it's actually blowing in cold smoke, so we're not heating up our cocktail. And I'm trapping the smoke in here. And boom. There we go. Isn't that amazing? So cool. This flavor is gonna blow your mind. Plus it looks awesome because who doesn't like lighting stuff on fire? So on to the next cocktail. Who likes Cosmos? Everybody loves Cosmos. You know what? They're fresh, they're funky. So I'm gonna be doing a white Cosmo. So I'm gonna add in 2 ounces of vodka. Next, I'm gonna add in some white cranberry juice. I'm also gonna put in a slice of Cara Cara Orange. So this is kind of cool. Cara Cara has a really nice orange and pinky flesh tone, which is gorgeous. We can see it over there. I'm gonna throw this in. We're gonna get the pulp into the cocktail because I'm shaking it up in the drink. So this builds some beautiful textures, having the nice jewels of the fruit right on top. A little bit of Creme de Violet. Beautiful purple. Next, I'm gonna layer this guy up, and you're gonna see exactly how I am going to do that on the blade of a knife. So, I'm gonna put this on top. We're gonna keep the purple on the bottom. So we're gonna be layering the white on top, but we certainly are not done. This is a great technique to make it look beautiful. And also what happens is as we are drinking, the heavier liquid on the bottom slips to your lips at the beginning, and the lighter liquid goes back and forth to refresh your palate. Does that look gorgeous? But we're not even close to being done because next we're actually going to change the color one more time. So I'm adding in some Butterfly Peaflower Tea. That's right, this reacts with acidity. And so it's gonna go from blue to purple. And remember how I was talking about density? It's just gonna sit right there on top. Isn't that a gorgeous drink? I love the layers and you can see them. So we've got purple, white, and purple. Awesome! So this is a really awesome margarita that's gonna blow your mind. So I've got some lemonade. I'm gonna pour this into a pitcher. Next, I'm gonna add in 2 tablespoons of gelatin. And I'm gonna blend this up with an immersion blender. This is a handy device for cocktails. So by blending this up, I'm gonna pour it into an espuma. The espuma is, I'm sure you've seen it at different coffee houses when you're getting some whipped cream on top of your latte. So we're gonna be using it for cocktail purposes, which I think is much better. This is blending up really nicely. The gelatin is mixing in with the lemonade. Terrific. Just gonna put that down here, and I'm gonna pour it into my espuma. It's nice and frothy. You wanna make sure that the liquid is nice and smooth so it doesn't build clumps. Next, straw on the top, and then we're gonna double charge it. And I'll show you what I mean by that. So we've got these awesome CO2 cartridges. Turn it upside down, it's gonna pierce. You can hear all the bubbles being made right now, and I'm gonna throw in one more. I can toss this into an ice bath, so it helps to set the foam. Next, let's make up the margarita. So I've got some ice in here. Next, I'm gonna add in some passion fruit juice, some mango juice. This is such a delicious cocktail. Some beautiful tequila. And I'm gonna shake this up. Now I'm gonna layer this over top of some sourpuss raspberry or any kind of sour raspberry liqueur that you want. And again, I'm gonna use my handy dandy knife and pour this over top. So we've got the red at the bottom, sort of looks like a tequila sunrise. And let me tell you, the flavor on this is outstanding. Look at that. Beautiful cocktail. Let's add in the foam. So this is the espuma and this is the foam. So when you're thinking about cocktails, you want it to taste great, look great, layers upon layers of sensual, beautiful experience, but it provides a great aromatic. It looks amazing, it tastes amazing, and you get all of these layers of texture across your palate. Shall we take a look at our smoked Jack Daniels and Coke? Absolutely, we should. Cheers, everybody. And until next time, stay shaking, stay healthy, and be happy.